Anytime I'm with someone and I'm like, okay, I got to send my good night streak to my mom, they're like, are you still snap your mom? Like, we are snapping each other every single day. It's just a part of us.
We're the Crabtree family, and our snap streak is 2,861 days.
We left you in the dust. Ha ha ha.
I don't believe it's making sure we hit the number and keep the number. It's evolved beyond just being a streak. It's our primary way to communicate. Did we think it would be going for 8 years? I don't know. I don't even know.
I can't believe it's been that long.
Yeah.
He would send like a good night to make sure we were like home safe.
The ritual when you were little was you always told, you had to say goodnight before you went to bed. I just wanted you to know at nighttime, well, I'm still mom.
Yeah.
It was a way for me to keep tabs on him without them knowing I was keeping tabs on them.
We knew.
Always knew.
To know that you're making your own good decisions, but you still need me. I mean, that's a really cool thing too. And then for a while, when you all were out of the house, I was snapping empty nest adventures that Dad and I were going on to make sure you knew where we were and that we were having fun, even though you guys weren't around as much.
The three of us do a lot of stuff together, so it's a way to include you two in it, in all our adventures.
Snapchat gives you a way to see the emotion. I think the content has evolved as our streak has evolved. You're telling me more than you would have. You're connecting with each other more. It's just grown as we've grown as people. And I think it's grown as we've grown as a connected family. I wouldn't be able to express the love I feel for my kids through a text message. For me, Snapchat is my way of communicating how much I love them.